Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is narrated by Hisham's father from Hadrat Aisha, mother of believers. Allah's Apostle ﷺ used to kiss some of his wives while he ﷺ was fasting, and then she smiled. Bukhari 1928. It is narrated from Hadrat Aisha, mother of believers. In Ramadan, the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to take a bath in the morning after closing fast time for cleaning sexual impurity not from seminal emission in sleep, and would continue his fast. Ibn Hibban 34867, Bukhari 1930. It is narrated by Hadrat Hafsa, mother of believers. He ﷺ used to kiss while he ﷺ was fasting. Ibn Hibban 3542, Bukhari 1929. I saw the Holy Prophet ﷺ pouring of water over his head in a very hot day while he ﷺ was fasting. Mishkat 1913.